I keep saying I don't stress myself with children's clothes, yet I always get the best out of my children's clothes. So what we have is our charts. I talked about it over and over and over again. And whenever I send my students or my staff to go and get the chart, they just know what to do each time we want to work with children's clothes. We already have this in their sloper for these children. So tiny babies, that's like I said, newborn to 12 months, this is their measurement. So you have their bust fall, most of them fall within the range of 40 cm. You can change that to centimeters, inches if you want. Their length to waist, which is what we call shoulder to waist, we call it length to waist. That's length to waist is actually from your neck down to the waistline. So you usually fall within 15 to 16 cm. The back line and the chest line fall within 16 cm. Their hips is 40 cm. But when I teach about the hips and for children, there's a method to which you can always get hips for different style for children, but we work within 40. Length of dresses, if you really want a beautiful style for a child, whereby it will stop at the knee of that child, exact knee of the child, we work with length of the dress. So for a baby, a newborn, within 20 to 24 cm, and the arm length. So if you're doing like a long dress or a dress that would have sleeve, instead of taking the child's measurement, I do not bother myself. So what I tell people is, how old is your child? And then they'll tell me, okay, my child is 2, and I just try to ask, is she big or something? It's just a normal 2-year-old. I'm okay. Is she fat? Oh, no, she's not fat. You know, when you ask those questions, you know what the child will fall in. So these ones will work. Some children wear clothes that they had when they were babies to when they are 2 years. I'm guilty of that. My children, they do that. They wear their clothes till they are 2 before I really start changing or throwing them away. So for group 1, like I said, is for a big 2 or a big 2, a normal 3, or a small 4. Yeah. While for a group 2, we have a big 5-year-old, a normal 6-year-old, or a small 6-year-old. So sometimes, usually after making this dress, if it's for girls, you usually have belt. But if you want the perfect fit, is a particular style you want, it doesn't need belt, you want it to be perfect, that's when you now ask, what is the bust of the child? Because that's usually the waist. Now remember, this bust will go same thing as the waist. If there's no waist here, we didn't take the waist measurement, because waist measurement can be very funny. Waist measurement and bust measurement, sometimes they fall within the same category. So for children, I don't bother with the waist. I just go ahead and use the bust, because the bust measurement, that's the round, chest round, yeah, it helps me to make a lot of decisions. So if you see, you won't see anything waist here, but I work with the round, the you know, like the bust area. Yeah. So the same thing goes. So when they come, I'm talking about when they come and you want the exact fit. That's when you can say, okay, can I know this exact measurement, or this one, or you know, what's her stomach, what's her hip. That's if I'm doing a customized dress. The people that are not doing customized dress, and people that are doing ready to wear clothes or have issues with, I need the exact measurement of a baby dress, I need exact measurement of so and so, this is what I use. You know, we have more, but this is my chart in So Naija. I don't know if this really helps. I will try and do a full detailed video to show you people how this can be converted into making the final dress. Any questions, please ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining, and see you in the next class. Bye.